Under the moons of silver glow, an owl so wise begins to show, with feathers white like winter snow. Through silent woods it softly goes. Ooh, owl of the night, so pure, so bright. Your beauty takes its graceful flight, with wings so wide and eyes that gleam. You're the keeper of the forest dream. Perched on a branch so high, so still, a gentle breeze obeys your will. Your feathers shine like stars at play, guiding lost hearts along their way. Ooh, owl of the night, so pure, so bright. Your beauty takes its graceful flight, with wings so wide and eyes that gleam. You're the keeper of the forest dream. Oh, 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 oh. Starlit skies, you softly soar, a guardian spirit forevermore. In whispers the forest calls your name, the night would never be the same. Ooh, owl of the night, so pure, so bright. Your